From tactical response to disaster assessment, drone technology is changing how law enforcement gathers critical information, and agencies across Maryland got a first-hand look at the platforms that can take their incident response to the next level. Today, we're at the Anne Arundel County Police Training Center in Maryland to highlight some of the most advanced Blue UAS certified drones on the market. First off, what is Blue UAS? Blue UAS certification helps ensure that drones meet government security requirements, making them trusted tools for public safety and government operations. After a brief introduction about who we are, we headed outside to check out the drones. Imagine a major missing person search covering thousands of acres of rural terrain. Instead of spending days searching on foot, a Wingtra Array mission could quickly create a high-resolution map of the entire area, helping investigators identify points of interest and coordinate search teams more effectively. With its 59-minute flight time, the Wingtra Array showcased its ability to rapidly map large areas with exceptional accuracy. For agencies conducting disaster assessments, crime scene reconstruction, or large-scale searches, it can cover thousands of acres in a fraction of the time required by traditional methods. Following a natural disaster or large-scale emergency, the Eagle NXT EB TAC could rapidly map an entire community, helping agencies identify damaged infrastructure, blocked roadways, and priority response areas before sending personnel into the field. The EB TAC offers long-endurance fixed-wing performance, making it ideal for emergency management and large-scale mapping missions. During a SWAT operation, officers can use the Parrot-Anafi UKR to observe a suspect location from a safe distance, using both thermal and 35x digital zoom to maintain situational awareness without exposing personnel. Its ability to operate in GPS-denied environments makes it especially valuable around structures or in urban environments. The FreeFly Astro highlighted the flexibility of a modular multi-rotor platform, whether documenting a crash scene, supporting search and rescue operations, or carrying specialized sensors. The Astro adapts to your mission. During a structure fire, the Astro can deliver thermal imagery from above, helping incident commanders identify hotspots and monitor conditions as crews work on the ground. The ACSL SOTN gives agencies a compact NDAA-compliant aircraft capable of thermal imaging, zoom inspection, and subject tracking, all in a lightweight foldable package. When officers need to locate a fleeing suspect after dark, the SOTN's thermal payload can help track movements through wooded areas or large properties while keeping officers informed of the suspect's location. During an extended search and rescue operation, the Inspired Flight IF-800 Tomcat's long endurance and thermal imaging capabilities can provide a continuous overwatch, helping teams locate missing persons while covering significantly more ground than traditional search methods. For heavier payloads, the IF-1200 brings enterprise-level capability, supporting advanced sensors such as LiDAR and high-resolution mapping systems for large-scale assessment and intelligence gathering. And finally, the Photokite Sigma showed why tethered systems are becoming increasingly valuable to public safety agencies. At a barricaded suspect incident, a photokite deployed from a command vehicle could provide a constant overhead view of the scene for hours, allowing commanders to monitor officer positions, traffic patterns, and developing threats. While every platform serves a different purpose, they all share the same goal: helping agencies gather information faster while keeping personnel safer in the field. Drone Nerds supports public safety agencies through every stage of their drone program, from aircraft selection and procurement to training, compliance, and operational support. To learn more about Blue UAS solutions for your agency, click the link below, and thanks for watching.